So I believe that squeak is coming from this brake caliper when I last put it together. That should be a quick fix. Just gonna spray it with some brake clean. With brake clean though, you have to be careful around like the bearings and any other like rubber seals, because this will dry them right out. Other than that, I'm just gonna try to keep it centralized around that rotor. Don't forget there's two sides of a rotor. So I just went ahead and used a little bit of brake clean. I used that little red nozzle to get up in the brake pads. But again, just be careful where you're getting it because this stuff does dry out any kind of rubber. I also did the same with the front. It sounds a little bit better. Another alternative to brake clean is just grab a bucket of soap and a little sponge or something and go ham.